Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will try to learn about how can create the main page in weintek HMI. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our Easy Builder Pro, and here I will show you how we can create the main page. For an example, this is our main page and we will like to first change our background color. Which color which you like to be changed, this one you can choose it here and click it OK. And this is, for example, this is your company and this you need to be display at the HMI, and when operator starts the machine for first time, after he will click on this your company logo or name or bar, whatever which you designed in your HMI. After you will go to the next page. So how this choose? Let's start. This is start with window 10, for example. See, this is the window 10, but it's bulletin window 11 and 12. Three windows we will be create, and we will start from this page. For example, this I will double click on this logo. If you like to be delete complete, no problem, I will delete this one complete. See, for example, and we will choose this new one. Go to the object window and choose it here your function key. Function key when you choose, after here your option you have to be choose change full screen window. Have a change common window, display pop-up window, close window, return to your previous window, which you like. We will make this one change full screen window. After this function you will be choose. After go to the shape. After go to the library, and which picture or which address or what logo you like to be choose, this you have to be choose. This is I added this one, already is added inside the PLC HMI, and this one in state 0 also and 1 state also, this both of you have to be choose. And after click it OK, and this is now added to your project, and click it OK and display it on the screen. You can organize this logo and you can make it this smaller or bigger. This is depend on your choice. For example, I will fix it this one at the main page complete and put it on the bottom side, and this will be display on the first start time. When you start the machine, first your this logo will be displayed, and when you click it on this logo, after your next page will be open. For an example, this is we have three pages: Windows 11, Windows 12, and this is window 10 is our this is main logo. And here if you like to be write your company name or your channel name, for example, simply go to the this text section, and here you can write, for example, channel name I will write Mean Automations, and choose the size, which size you want. For example, 30 size I will choose, and click it OK, and display where you like to be put. And if you color this like to be choose, this color also you can choose. For example, this is I will choose that dark color and will be display in the dark color. And if need you white color, for example, you can choose the white color. It will be visible, easy to visible. And here you can make your switches, or for example anything. For example, this is we will make this one set on, or this is momentary button. This is I will make it at M0, and label if you need, or shape if you like to be change this shape, no problem, you can be change. Otherwise click it OK, and you can be place it on the main screen. For an example, this is your main start motor, for example. This is here, for example, this will make start button, and you can place it here. And size, if it is a little big, you can be choose the small size as per your own requirement or looking. For example, this is I will choose this is the start, right here. And next you have to be choose bit lamp. For example, indication you like to be show. For example, this is I choose Y0 and you can click it in OK here. And this indication also in previous lectures already I explained how you can change the color and everything and shape. Go to the shapes. Here is picture library, very huge library. You can choose any type of your buttons. For example, this I will choose, click it OK, and after this click and this button will be selected. And here you can make it one Control C and make it Control V, for example. And here is where you can place it downside. This is address only, just have to be changed, or this is only M0 if you change, can make it only set off. And this if you like to be make not momentary, you can make it set on and simply click it OK. And this is also make it Control C and here Control V and place it on the downside. And this go here and you can make it stop and click it OK. And this you can align with your any, for example here. And after we have to be make the small project and also in PLC M0 and click it OK and click yes. And this is also you have to be make Y0 and make it here reset and click it OK. And this you have to be make set condition, or if you know like to be make set or on and off also, this will be running no problem. This will be normal, you can change this one. Single also we can use, there's no need to two lines, single line we can choose. And this is you go back to the HMI. This is our go to the project, make it online simulation, and this is your display. For example, this is your running, this is your HMI. As you click on this logo, it will be go to the next page. See, it will be go to the next page, and when click it next, it goes to the next page. And as you click it again, this is we make for main page for previous page. And when you make it on, your indication or motor whatever, this will be on, and you make it stop, this will be again stop. So this is the simple and easiest way to the main page like to be selection and designing. If you not understand anything, send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. As you give this is, if you like to like to make this one, for example, cut this one and go back to the, this is your main page. For example, this program no need to here, make it here for example, cut and go to the window 11, and here you can make it paste. This your program is coming. Sorry, this is first we have to be delete this one, and you can make it here paste. So this program will be, it will be ready at here. And again go back to the project, make it online simulation, and your first page will be displayed, not a second page. And this is your first page. For example, when you click it on this one, you go to the next page, and here you can choose your on and off, whatever which you think make at this page. You can be operate from here, start and stop. I hope guys you will be understand about this one, how you can make this one main page. If not understand anything, send me message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.